Now this is part 2 of Bullta, Korean barbecue and sushi. Now we are at the ramen bar. This is all the noodles we have, and you can actually cook it yourself, so I'm excited. I just have this. Oh yeah, I need to get the noodles first. I got the Bullta. I love this seasoned noodle. Now I'm gonna open this. This is the big version, I think. How do you open this? I can't open it. What? This one? Oh, right here. I'm trying to open it, it's not working. It's not working. I can't open it. Okay. Now this is East Cook. We're gonna put the noodles in here. And I'm gonna do the stir fry thing. Okay. Woo! That's big! Do we do the seasoning first? No? Oh, boil it? Number 4. Okay. Show them. We're gonna put these next. I'll put the packet here. Do we need a spoon to mix it? Do we need to get something to mix it? Actually, a fork would be better. Yeah. Okay, we are going to cook it for 3 minutes, and we will see you back to add the sauce packet. Bye, guys. Okay, now we're gonna put the seasoning packet. Now it's done. I think it's cooked now. Where do you open this? My grandma's gonna help me with this, but like, put the liquid sauce here. But we need to put the powder first. Okay. Now saucy time. We're not gonna add all of it, so where do we put it then? My mom's using her mouth. Can't do it. Oh God. How do you? Oh my God. You can't open that? Oh my God. How do you?
Let's bring it back to the...
Okay. Dude, this feels so weird, dude. Dude, this feels so weird. Oh my God.
Wow.
I'm gonna use this to mix it, but like my dad will open it because we can't. Both of us can't open it. Is that all the? Is that cheese?
Oh, this is spicy. Oh no, this is banana.
Banana ice cream? Wait, you can get ice cream? I want to get that later, but I won't show it on camera. Okay. Oh yeah. Yes, Leia.
陣間啦，唔急啊。
I think we need a little more budak sauce.
好辣㗎，妹妹，唔係甜㗎呢個，
I know.
呢個好食喎呢個，香蕉士多。喺嗰度啊。
Okay, I think it's almost done.
Sorry。
I have my water here just in case, but like, it looks good. The fact that color is not too dark. Okay, I'll try it now, but I need to blow it. Do you guys have any kimchi? Okay, it's good, but I'm gonna give this like just a 7 since it's not too there's no topping, but it's good. 7. Oh yay, my kimchi! Yes. Now we're talking. Good, but I would like more toppings on it, but it's good. Like I said in the other video, I said that the restaurant was overall 8.5, and you can go check that video right out, and then you can see all the food that I ate. Like always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when we post a new video. Bye guys!